Back and forth till brother gets down here. Okay, here comes brother to tag you. Keep going. Oh, not yet. All right, you keep jumping till brother gets back, because that's what he did. You've only been jumping for 50 seconds. You haven't even been jumping for a whole minute. All right, here he comes. Okay, Susanna, go upstairs, and any clothes that are on your floor, put away. You can take your sweater off now. Any clothes that are on your floor, either put away or throw down if they're laundry. Put that sweater away in your drawer, please. Okay, Frederick, now I want you to crawl back and forth between here and the door. Come on, William, you crawl too. Let's see William crawl. That's running. Crawl. There you go. Yes? That's in the utility. That's there. That dirty stuff I want you to put in the utility. Susie, you got to crawl now. Crawl back and forth. Crawl. Crawl. It's hard to crawl in a dress. Crawl. William, stand the fan up. You're bashing your brother. Okay, now, William, crawl with Susie this time. Crawl. Get Susie. Oh, those are clean, aren't they? Go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Susie, you're slow in the dress. Maybe you should do it on your hands and feet. Oh, tagged. Okay. Susanna, go upstairs and put all your baby dolls away. And Susie, you put your baby dolls away. William, can you skip?
Since I'm taller, I can do it.
You're going to crawl. William's going to crawl and brother's going to skip. Susie, the baby dolls and the stuffed animals, okay? Well, get him. Get him. Okay. Tag gently, Susanna. Tag gently. Okay. Frederick, run up and rest while putting 10 books on your shelf. And Susanna, I want you, look at me a minute. I want you to skip like an octopus, which means you're going to wave your arms over your head the whole time you're skipping, okay? Both arms. Both arms. Okay, Frederick, run up and do 10 books. Run, run, run. That's right, skipping like an octopus. Roll, roll, roll. See if you can roll in a straight line. It might be kind of hard. Go ahead, Susie. Go put 5 books on your shelf. That's right, William. You can roll. Go ahead. Let's see these boys. See if you, Frederick, can make it all the way over here or not. Did you bonk? You poor thing. I think you're okay. 10 Legos in the Lego bin, please.
I don't have Legos.
Yeah, there's Legos out on the floor. Did you pick them all up already? Okay, then do 10 more tracks, because there's probably still some tracks out. Yes. Go look.
13.
Rolling Susie. Hey, she's rolling pretty straight. Go for it, Susie.